The video today is gonna be me building a bonsai bench to display all my bonsai trees. I'm gonna make it from primarily rocks and bamboo and a little bit of steel wire. It's also me cutting down the bamboo and me collecting the rocks. So this is one of those little DIY videos. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I collect both small and big rocks. The smaller ones I use to stabilize the big ones as I build the pillars of the bonsai bench. Whoa! It's not funny! I could literally be pierced by a bamboo and you're just laughing. Look how pointy it is. This is dangerous. Imbo! There we go. So it's gonna be exciting to see how far we get with these long bamboo sticks sticking out of the car. It's definitely not would definitely not be legal in Denmark. It probably isn't here in Italy. It's good that we only have to drive like 500 meters, but we'll see if we make it around the corners. The car has definitely doubled in length, that's for sure. We'll see. Get in, little move. Of course we couldn't ride through the little town, and this solution didn't work either. Don't you dare ask me if I feel stupid, Mule. Because I do. We documented it and you had a lot of fun. It was great. I'm moving one of the stone piles because I had to shorten the bamboo sticks to go through the little town that lies before our town down the mountain. I'm leveling the stone piles to make the bonsai bench as even as possible. So there is progress on the bonsai bamboo stands, and I've come so far, as you can see in the video. I think it's going great. The transportation here was hopeless, but we made it up here, and now I'm tying the bamboo sticks together like such. The iron wire. I think it's gonna make an interesting little set piece for the garden where I can display my bonsai trees. So I finished my bamboo bonsai bench, and I'm pretty satisfied with the result. The only little thing I can comment on is it's not that even, and that's not too good for bonsai trees, but it's very nice, and also I like it not being perfect. I think it's very good looking. I'm very satisfied. So that was my day. My Friday building this, cutting down the bamboo and then sticking them in the car and then driving back and then trying to assemble this masterpiece of a bonsai bench. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Time for an alcohol-free beer after a hard day's work. Very good. While I enjoy the nice new view of my bonsai trees on the bench. How about that? The very proud creator right here.